talk about the next tactic, getting traffic from other listings. All right. Remember, this secret number 2 is all about launching and ranking strategies. Okay. So take notes, but remember, you promised me you would do something with the information if it makes sense for you. All right. Here are what most people's Amazon listings look like. Okay. Your listing at Amazon.com. You're getting traffic from organic ranking and pay-per-click, sponsored ads, right? Is this you? Here's what an Amazon listing should look like at a minimum. You should be getting traffic from organic ranking, from frequently bought together, from affiliate sites, from YouTube videos, from cross-selling photos, linked reviews. You're going to love that one. Email marketing, video shorts, and coupon pages. You may be scratching your head going, what is all this stuff? Don't worry. I'm going to break it down for you right now and show you how you can get some of this traffic too. In fact, everything that I'm showing you here are all free traffic sources. Whoa, wait a minute. Did you say free? Yes, I said free. The most powerful word in marketing. Free traffic. Think about this just for a second. Someone else has spent thousands of dollars on advertising and giveaways to get reviews, all to get ranked on Amazon so that people can find their product. They'll find their pizza cutter before they find yours. What if you could skip all of that expense and just simply show up on their already well-positioned listing? Make sense? Yes, it works as well as you think it does. This is one of our free traffic tactics. People are searching around Amazon all day long for a product just like yours. You know what your keywords are. A lot of times, though, they end up on someone else's listing by mistake. If you could show up on other people's listings on Amazon, do you think you would get more sales? Of course you would. There are 4 places that you can show up on someone else's listing for free, F-R-E-E. Frequently bought together. I'm going to give you a strategy for that. You can show up in the reviews. I'll give you a strategy for that. In Q&A and also in video shorts. All right. You with me so far? How do we show up and frequently bought together? All right. If you can get your product to be frequently bought together with another high volume product, then you'll get tons of free traffic by showing up on their listing. They're paying for the traffic, right? Maybe you're paying for traffic. Someone's doing this to you, so pay attention, right? You see how this works? How do we do that? First of all, you want to go out and find a complementary, not a competitive. Find a complementary product, low cost, high volume, and use that as your target. This will give you loads and loads of free traffic. For example, we could target this $7.99 sleep mask to sell our pillow. Why? Because it's a complementing product, not a competing product. That means that someone who uses our pillow could also use a sleep mask and vice versa. An easy way to influence this would be to create a bundle promotion for the sleep mask and our pillow. Pay attention. It's not too technical, but it might get a little bit out of hand. You're going to create a bundle promotion for the sleep mask and our pillow. It's going to be set up like this. When someone buys the sleep mask, they'll save 40% on our pillow. After several people purchase both products at the same time, guess what? Amazon will automatically populate your product on their listing. You love that, right? Here's what it looks like. In Seller Central, you'll click on the Advertising tab. You'll go to Promotions. You're going to go to Percentage Off and create a promotion. This is what the screen will say. Under Purchased Items, you're going to put their ASIN. It says if you purchase this item, we're going to give you discount A, whatever you put in the discount box, 40%, 20%, whatever it is. And then the qualifying item, you have to enter your product's ASIN. This says that if they purchase this, they're going to get 40% off on this. This is going to orchestrate those 2 products being purchased together. Once Amazon sees this is happening, and it doesn't take a lot, they're going to automatically populate your product on their listing. You can literally generate a special link that pre-populates both of those products, the sleep mask and the pillow, into the customer shopping cart using this free tool. Go to helium10.com/gems. Screenshot this, helium10.com/gems. What you'll do here, right, is you're going to go in and you're going to paste both the ASINs, their ASIN, your ASIN, and generate a special link. The tool will spit out this link for you, and then you just simply send this link to your email list, to your customer list, paste it on your Facebook page or whatever. It's easy. Paste the ASIN, paste the mandatory ASIN, right? Generate the link, and then send the promotion to your email list. Post it to your affiliate bloggers. Post it on your Facebook branded page. Heck, text it to your 40 friends if that's what you have to do. The fact of the matter is that once you get a few of these sales to start taking place, it doesn't take too many, you're going to start showing up in the frequently bought together section. You're going to love it. Usually 5 to 10 sales, depending on the size of the market. If a complementary product listing doesn't already contain at least 3 frequently bought together items, then this is a very easy target for you in this strategy. So when you're looking for a complementing product that you can use a strategy on, if they don't already have 3 frequently bought together items, target that one. It's going to be much easier to rank, okay? You can do this even with our launch service of our 20,727 real Amazon buyers by launching both products at the exact same time. All right, that's a frequently bought together strategy.